What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 wood burning folding stoves. They get pretty compact, and right here they made to be really tiny so that way you can hike into the forest and you don't have to bring gas cans with you, and it's very efficient so that way you can cook, boil water really fast. So I got here 5 different brands of camping stoves. Let's see which ones is the best. This one actually was included with the Leo table. Anyways, let's open it up. Wow, very cool. I don't even have to assemble it, looks like it's ready to go. And you open these two stands and then this opens up like that. Whoa, that's so cool. That way you can put bunch of sticks inside here, and you can put on pot on top of it, and as you can see it's not going to suffocate it because there's a little stand right here for the pot. And an even bigger bonus, it comes with a tiny table or cutting board. Wow, very unique. Okay, I'm gonna unbox all of them, and second part of the review I'm gonna light them all of them at once and we'll see which one is going to burn the best. Okay, I got one of this. This one is totally foldable, like much thinner than the other one, but wow, look how many folds it does. It didn't come with the instructions or anything, so hopefully I can figure this out. Okay, I assume this part gonna go on top right here. This is gonna go inside here. I guess like this. Yeah, this is how it's gonna go. Okay, let's see what else I got. Next one is pretty fun and simple. All you have to do is open these flaps. You can put this base down. You don't have to. If you don't have the feel, you can just open it like that and use the sticks, and you can adjust this for the pot. Set the pot up like that, or keep it open for the bigger pot, or you can even close it and put a smaller pot, or even cook it on this thing. Very cool, huh? We'll put that to the test in a little bit. We'll see which one burns the best. For the next one I got UCO foldable wood burning stove. I like this brand. I have put to the test a lot of their stuff. They're pretty big camping brand. Okay, let's see how it works. Boom. Wow, this is like a wallet or something. Okay, this is gonna go through like that. Boom. And then this grill gonna go inside like that with the flaps up. I really like it. This is very unique and simple design, but you can put charcoal in here and it will hold the coals very long time, so that way you can grill a big steak and stuff like that. Versus this one, it's not going to be like a grill. It's mostly for boiling water because the heat is going to concentrate from here, so it will be just for boiling water. And one more I decided included to the list is really big one compared to the other ones. It's like a suitcase. I really like that a lot. So let's open it up. Oh, cool. There's a bunch of stuff we need to unbox. Find flat surface, that way it doesn't fall over. And I bet we just stick it into here. Yep. Okay, wow, it lifts up like that. So if you want to add more fire, you can just open it like this, put more coals, fire, whatever, boom, portable grill. I really like this thing a lot. Boom, ready to go. Wow, this is pretty unique and really big, so that way you can cook for a lot of people, not just for 1 or 2 person. Okay, first one we're gonna put to the test one of these ones, and we're gonna use the 5 starting matches like this, so that way it's a lot easier for me to light up these wood burning stoves. Okay, we got it going on fire. Put it inside there, and then we're gonna add on a bunch of smaller sticks, so that way we're going to get it going on fire. Wow, it's already flaming really hard from the top. I like it. With that kind of flame I can add on something bigger like this. Ooh, that's hot. Check this out, it's burning beautifully. So if you have a pot to boil water, it would be no problem. It's all concentrated in the middle right on a pot. But it's not really a grill. I guess it is, because this whole plate will going to be heated up, so that way you can put meat down here. What do you guys think? Let's see how the next one does. And the cool part about this one, you can really keep the bigger pieces and they can just stick out a little bit, and then you can just move them forward like this. So that's really cool. It's almost like a rocket stove. With this one we'll have to remove this grill part, then we're going to start a fire, and then we're going to put the grill back on when we're ready to cook. Start with the smaller twigs. This one is a lot easier to load up though. You can just drop a whole bunch of twigs, and I like how it's like self-feeding. Even if you drop to the side, it will fall right into the hot flames into the middle. So this is a really cool design. I never seen one like that before. Keeps all the coals in the middle. Great idea. And ventilation from both sides, so there's more than enough ventilation. Quick update, it disintegrates the little pieces of wood really well. And pretty hot flames. Second one burning really well. I love how you can put the bigger pieces in and just push them in when they burn off. And this one so far is just started. Now let's see how this one does. Stick this thing in here, and then once again we're gonna add on small twigs just to get it going. This one don't fit lots of firewood, so you'll have to a lot more often add on little sticks, so that way it keeps going. And one more right here, the big one. Wow, that's going to hold a lot of firewood. A stick bunch of twigs up in there at first. In this one we can put a lot bigger pieces either way. Doesn't have as much ventilation, but we'll see. Hopefully it will not be a problem. Okay, this one can use some bigger sticks like this. Cannot get any bigger than that because it just won't fit. This one burning pretty good. Going to get some coals soon. Doesn't have as much ventilation, so kind of starting up pretty slowly. This one is going really well. I can add on lots of sticks and not worry about it for a while, because it can hold up a lot of bigger sticks easily. This stove is doing kind of good, but if you add on smaller sticks, they kind of burn off quickly, and it does not hold big sticks, so you gotta be constantly replacing with the smaller sticks. But it does burn really well. I like this stove still a lot. Okay, this one so far burning really well. I'll load it up so that way I don't have to worry about it as much, hopefully. We'll see. It's pretty full of sticks. Then I can keep these flaps open so that way I can open it and close it. There you go. And then I can grill on it. That's a lot of wood it's holding. We'll see how they do. Okay guys, update. This thing burning really hot. So pretty soon it's going to be all hot coals and I'm going to be able to grill on it. This one's still burning hot. I'm still adding on little twigs inside there, sticks, so that way it stays really hot. Beautiful, doesn't it? I really like the design. So is this one. This is like open suitcase. So unique and interesting. And then I got next one right here, still burning pretty good, pushing in the firewood inside there. UCO stove. Really like that design as well, because all the coal concentrate in the middle right there, slowly drops inside there. And one of this one, a really tiny one. So we're going to burn them for a while and we'll see how well does each one holds up the coals. So if you want to add on more firewood, I think this is right here what it's for. You lift it up like that. Boom. Also you can lift it up with food as well. Then you can add on more firewood, maybe like spread it around a little bit so that way it burns better. There you go. And then you can stick this thing back where it was. That looks pretty good too. So far it's burning, heating up, not bad, but probably my least favorite. Kinda just too small and bulky as well. This thing folds into pancakes, so it does not take as much space in this one. Okay, it's kinda going out. Let's try to blow on it, see what happens. It burns well from the sides and slowly from the middle. This one is burning out, but still going strong, as you can see. Just awkward square, so it's really hard to put in bigger sticks inside there. This one burning pretty good still too, have no problem. Can even drop sticks from the top. As you can see, it's burning off really nice, and now I have a lot of hot coals. Woo! Looks like this one produces hot coals a lot faster than this one. I think it just has way more ventilation, that's why it burns much better. And this one burns really well. I wish you could see inside there. As you can see, this one is going really strong. And this one is all hot coals now. Look at this hot coals. No problem to fire up a steak on this grill now. You know what? I'm probably going to get that little suitcase next time I'm going to picnic on the side of the road on a parkway. A lot of times you don't have a grill, but you still might want to cook out, but there's no space for the bonfire. Plus bonfire, it ups a lot of firewood. These things are very efficient and don't burn too much firewood, and pretty much smokeless unless they're going out. And that way you can cook up the steak really fast with the minimum firewood. So definitely giving them all thumbs up. There's a couple of my favorites, but I want to hear which one is your favorite. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.